Glendale Water Power has been in business for over 100 years, providing electricity and water to the residents and businesses of Glendale. Over the last year, GWP delivered 8.8 billion gallons of safe drinking water to nearly 200,000 residents and a multitude of businesses while operating at a 99.99% reliability. While GWP prides itself on its dependable service, the water infrastructure serving the city has been in place for many decades, and in some cases, 80 years or more. Today's workforce is actively working to maintain, repair, or replace water infrastructure as necessary. Projects are identified and prioritized based on risk, assessing the probability and consequences of failure. System improvements are made based on the internal rate of return, and other improvements are made as necessary to maintain compliance with ever-changing rules and regulations. This video highlights the scope and benefits of some of the projects undertaken by GWP in recent years. Advanced Metering Infrastructure, or AMI, was undertaken as part of GWP's Smart Grid program. The scope of this project included the replacement of all old water meters and the installation of communication equipment capable of automatically reading and reporting water consumption. As a result, GWP can now record and bill water sales more accurately, detect and notify customers of leaks in a timely fashion, and provide better service to our customers with relevant near real-time information. Dietrich Reservoir, the city's largest and most important reservoir, is classified by the state of California as a dam with a storage capacity of 57.5 million gallons. This reservoir was connected to the system with a single 48-inch pipe with inoperable valves and in need of frequent repairs. The project built a second 30-inch diameter welded steel pipe to parallel the existing pipe to allow the rehabilitation and replacement of valves. As a result, there is greater flexibility in operations and maintenance, along with increased reliability. Chevy Chase 968 Reservoir, a 14.5 million gallon reservoir located in one of Glendale's largest canyon neighborhoods. The reservoir had been damaged over time by earthquakes and reached a point when replacement was necessary. In addition to replacing the reservoir, the pump station serving higher pressure zones was relocated. The project restored reliability of the facility, enhanced operational flexibility, and improved fire suppression capabilities for the residents of Chevy Chase Canyon. The project earned the American Public Works Association's 2010 Best Project of the Year Award. In addition to purchasing water from Metropolitan Water District, GWP produces water from local sources, such as the Foothill Well. This well was recently recommissioned and put into service after being inspected, cleaned, and relined. Water from the Foothill Well is produced at a higher elevation than the rest of the system. Not only is it less expensive than MWD water, it also requires less lifting to serve our customers, saving money on energy usage. GWP has started construction on the Rockhaven Well. When the city purchased the historic Rockhaven Sanitarium property, the parcel also included adjacent properties geologically suitable for drilling a new production well. The well has been constructed and staff is working to identify the most cost-effective way to remove nitrate from the groundwater. The treatment facility will be constructed as part of a future capital project. Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, or SCADA, is the software necessary for the control of pumps, reservoirs, and valves that regulates the distribution system. The once state-of-the-art system is now more than 20 years old, is difficult to maintain, and presents problems in reliable daily operations. This system will be replaced with new hardware and software, giving operators the proper tools to monitor and control water flow and quality. Hardware has been purchased, and many of the control panels have been assembled. A future capital project will complete the installation and programming with new software. Central Avenue Cleaning and Lining Project involved the cleaning and lining of 39,000 feet of old pipes, the replacement of old valves, and the installation of new fire hydrants throughout Glendale, primarily around Central Avenue. This method of pipe rehabilitation is less expensive than outright replacement of old pipes and is equally effective in restoring flow and pressure in areas where old pipes have lost capacity. Glorietta Pump Station project modified an existing facility to allow the injection of ammonia into the water to form chloramines as the primary disinfectant. new piping was installed along with the proper facilities for chemical storage. Switching from chlorine to chloramines was necessary to ensure compliance with new regulations that went into effect in April 2012. In recent years, the utility has received numerous industry awards and leads the nation in research for successful ways to deal with the removal of chromium-6. GWP currently operates 2 large-scale chromium-6 removal demonstration facilities, which are largely funded by state and federal agencies. Glendale's research will be the foundation on which state and federal regulators establish guidelines for removal of this contaminant. Additionally, GWP was awarded the Grand Prize in Research by the American Academy of Environmental Engineers for its work on nitrification control, and in 2009 was recognized as a Gold Award recipient for its successful overall management approach by the Association of Metropolitan Water Agencies. While there are many other capital improvements that have been made to Glendale's system, these projects emphasize the management efforts, commitment, and dedication of resources to a properly functioning and reliable water system for the residents and businesses of Glendale. Future year improvements include the cleaning and lining of old mains, reservoir repairs, and the maintenance of pumps and motors. Glendale Water and Power, your trusted community utility, now and in the future.